Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can use Cash App in Europe, guys. So it's really easy and simple. So basically, you cannot use the normal Cash App, directly, except if you're in the US or UK. But if you want to use it internationally, what you can do is you can first, apply for the Cash Card and connect your Cash Card to your Cash App. Use the Cash Card on the different countries you're traveling in around Europe. Usually you can use it in most of the European countries. The only countries that you cannot use the cash card in, the Cash App cash card, are these countries listed right here. For example, Afghanistan, Belarus, Burma, Cuba, Iran, North Korea, Russia, Sudan. These are the countries you cannot use, but mostly in Europe you can use the cash card, and mostly the rest of the world, such as Asia and stuff. So hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.